Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect puffer vest? I've always been a fan of them, and when I saw this crop trend, I knew that I really wanted to have one. This one from Athlisan is so beautiful, it's so comfy, and I love how it looks. So as I said, this is a cropped puffer vest, and this is the olive green color, which I really love for the fall. Even though the vest is cropped, it is super warm and feels so cozy when you put it on. I opted for the size small because I read that it had some roominess, and I definitely agree, but I love that because I can layer it with multiple pieces, or if you want to just wear it with a t-shirt, it has these nice elastic pulls at the bottom, so the vest will be nice and snug and fitted to you. It comes with a very sturdy zipper, which is very easy to operate, and you can leave it open or zip it up so that it stays nice and snug. It also has two pockets in the front, so if I'm using it and I want to bring maybe my license with me when I go for a walk, everything is right there in the pocket. Not only is the fit of this vest really nice, but I love how it has the perfect amount of puffiness. If you zip it up to the top, you can see it has a stand-up collar, and it's just absolutely adorable. If you've always been a huge fan of the puffer vest, then you definitely will love this one from Athlisan, and that's my point of view.